Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Learning Library. In today's video, we are going to cover the different types of SQL commands. This is very important topic and the basic part of SQL. So we are going to cover and I'll explain one by one each SQL command to you will have a better idea on SQL commands. So there are five different commands and all the commands are important. The first one is DDL, that is data definition language. The second is DML, that is data manipulation language. The third one is DCL, that is data control language. The fourth one is TCL, that is transition control language, and fifth one is DQL, that is data query language. So in DDL there are create, drop, alter and truncate. In DML there are insert, update, delete, merge is over there also. We can add merge here in DML also. Then DCL, that is in data control language, we have grant and revoke. In TCL we have commit, rollback, save point, and in DQL we have select. So we will cover one by one each command of SQL. So firstly we are going to cover the DQL, that is the simple one. So first I think we should go for DDL first. So we will start from DDL. So we will start the first command of DDL, that is create. So let's go to our query editor in SQL developer. So we are going to cover DDL command. The first one is we are going to see create. So create is nothing but you can create table, procedures, indexes, views, packages or triggers, everything, any database object that you want to newly create, so that will be created by using create. So create is used to create a database object. I'll write here, it is used to create a database objects like tables, indexes, procedures, then triggers, etc. So we will cover we will create the database object by using create command. So firstly we just go through how to create a table by using a create command. So you can see here in HR I will go to my tables list. So here different types of tables are there. So if I want to create a particular table, then how I can create it? So nothing but create. The syntax for create is simple. You can write as create table, then you have to give the create name, table name here. So I'll give a table name here. I'm explaining this syntax for that create. Then table name, then I will give the first column, then first column suppose I have ID, then data type for that column, so I'll give number. I will explain in some time what are the different data types in SQL or in Oracle. So we will cover that later. For now just understand the syntax for create a table. So the first one is create table, then you have to specify the table name which you want to create, then bracket open, in that bracket you have to type the first column name, then the data type of that column, then second column, suppose I will go first name and data type for that varchar 2, I'll go 20, then third column I'll give it as last name varchar 2, then 20, then fourth one I will give email as varchar 2 20. So and I'll close my bracket. So if I run this, my table will be created. So this is my standard syntax for this table. I will name something for this. I will name it as employee details. I will name my table as employee details. So if I run this, my table will be created. Oh, my name is already there, existing purpose, so I cannot create a table with the same existing table name, so I have to modify my table name. So employee details, I'll employee info. I will rename my table as employee info. So if I run this, so my table is created. So you can see in output window like my table is created. So if I want to check my table, I can run a select query on that. So I will run select star from my employee info table. So if I run this, I'll be able to see the structure for that table with the same column order, ID in first position, then first name is second, last name and email. So in same position I'll be able to see my structure of column. For now I have not inserted any data in this table, so we will we will insert the data in our next video in this table. So we will cover one by one all the commands for SQL. So this is how I can create my structure for my table. Just I'm repeating it. Create table, this is standard syntax. Then you have to specify your table name, bracket open. Inside that bracket you have to give the column name along with this that column data types, then comma, the second column with data type, third column with data type, comma, fourth column with the data type. And once you close that bracket and run that query, your table will be created. So this is how you can create your table. From in next video we will see DML on how to insert data in your table. So we will cover one by one each command as per our requirement and need, so you will get a better idea on that. So just stay tuned and like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.